Now in this video, I'm going to tell you completely about the project, like the project's overview, the location, the amenities, the carpet areas, the pricing and much more. And today's virtual tour is of this brand new project by Lodha and it's called as Belmondo. Let's first of all begin with the project's overview. Now this is going to be 118 acres of luxury style living, and these are going to be some amazing residential homes right over here. And this is located in Gahunje, and this is going to be located right on the Pune-Mumbai Expressway, Gahunje, behind the MCA Cricket Stadium. Now, out of the 118 acres, there is going to be 19 acres of open space, and there are going to be 52 plus world-class amenities. In fact, even the clubhouse is going to be of more than 50,000 square feet of area. Of course, the cricket, the basketball court, the barbecue area along the riverside, there's going to be much more of open amenities. Lekin inside the house also are going to be many special things, like there is going to be a split AC in every apartment, and also French windows for the house, which are going to be a completely full heightened windows. So that means when you look outside from your windows, there's going to be no disturbance between the ceiling and the floor. The external exclusive amenities are going to include an in-house restaurant, a 10,000 square feet spa and salon, a gymnasium which is going to be fully equipped, swimming pool and many more. Now let's discuss the carpet areas and the pricing. The studio is going to be of 493 square feet and the price begins only from 67 lakhs onwards. The 2 BHKs would begin from 905 square feet and go up to 1292 square feet, and the price begins from 1.4 crore onwards. The 3 BHK begins from 1465 square feet onwards and the price begins from 1.9 crore onwards. The 4 BHK has two variants, the 2068 and the 2120 square feet, and the price begins from 3.10 crore onwards. Not just this, they also have country houses and row houses, and that begins from 2368 square feet and the price begins from 2.3 crore onwards for a bare shell row house. Not just this, they also have country houses and row houses that are row houses basically, and the size begins from 2368 square feet onwards, in which they have two variants, the bare shell and the warmly prepared, that is a little bit of structures that would be created in the row houses, and the pricing for this begins from 3.8 crore onwards for the bare shell. Now, other than all of this, there's going to be a boating facility, there's going to be a horse riding facility, and there are going to be many more things that you need to come over here directly and check out. But how are we going to do that? You need to do something to go ahead with the booking process. Stay with me, I'm going to tell you what exactly needs to be done. Now that you've seen the property, and I'm sure you want to know what is going to be the booking process, let me guide you through it. But before that, let me tell you a little about Property Cloud. Now that you know everything about this particular place, I'm sure you want to know कि booking कैसे करनी है, क्या करना है exactly. उससे पहले let me tell you a little about Property Cloud. Well, as I told you earlier that this is a PropTech service जहाँ पे हम करवाते हैं आपके लिए virtual site tours. उसी के साथ साथ Property Cloud connects you directly with the developer, thereby not only giving you the bottommost price but also a completely zero brokerage policy because there are no middlemen involved. Along with that, we also help you with doing physical site visits, and that too with an absolutely free pickup and drop service. So basically आपको करना ये है कि आप देखिए यहाँ पर आपके favorite projects, उसमें से आप कीजिए कुछ projects shortlist, जिसके basis पर हम आपको लेकर जाएंगे to go and see those projects in a cab, that too absolutely free pickup and drop service. After that, once you have finalized the property and you want to go ahead with the booking, all you need to do is just contact our salesperson once again, and then we will give you the best prices in the market, the best spot payment options and the best discounts that you can ever get. Now इस सब के लिए आपको क्या करना है exactly बता रही हूँ. नीचे captions में दिया हुआ है एक link जिस पे आपको करना है click, जिसके basis पे you will get in touch with us and we will guide you into buying your dream project with amazing ease and also hassle-free, brokerage-free. Well, it's not just that we are present only in Pune. Property Cloud is present across the globe and also in multiple cities in India also. तो पहले तो globe की बात कर ले. We are present in UAE, Canada, Singapore, USA and many other countries. And India में तो we are present in all top-notch cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Nagpur, Kolkata and so many more. तो अगर आपको खरीदना है आपका घर, आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ करना है नीचे कैप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक और उसी के साथ साथ डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल, ताकि मेरे यानी एकता कपूर के साथ आप देख सकें आपके ड्रीम होम्स right at the comfort of your house. Thank you.